What would happen if your phone broke for an entire week? What would happen if you suddenly got quite poorly and quite sick and couldn't be in your business every day? What would happen if you had a family emergency that took you away from your business? Could your business survive without you and continue to run? Are you ready to learn how you can keep your business running even if you were to fall off of the world? Let's go. I've worked with dozens of cleaning business owners who say they want freedom and that they don't want to be tied to their business 24/7. As I've spoke about in past videos, I've spoken about how I have several autoimmune conditions and I had to learn how to operate my business without me being present. The reason why I talk so often about systems and processes and why it's so important is because a lot of the people that I work with, and I've been super guilty of this when I first started up, are the business, and that if they step away, it all goes to shit, it all falls apart, and the business does not run without them because they are the business. In most cases, they are the cleaner, they are the bookkeeper, they are the customer service rep, they are the marketer, they are the person that collects the products, they are the people that do the restock, they do it all of the things. They become walking, talking to-do lists, forever to-do lists, as long as my arm, that don't ever get completed. And right now, if that is you drowning in a to-do list, doing all of the things yourself, then I hate to break it to you, but you are not running a business. You have created a full-time job for yourself that has hours and hours and hours of unpaid overtime.
And we just don't want that for you, bestie.
So tell me, if you were to disappear for 7 days or 10 days or 2 weeks or a month, how would your business cope without you? Would everything run as normal? Would invoices be sent out? Would money chased in? Would products be bought? Would everybody be restocked and have a rota and know where they're going? Or would it all fall apart? And if your answer is, it would probably fall apart, then my love, you don't have a staff problem or a client problem, you have a systems problem.
And the good news is that it can be fixed super easily and simply.
So to learn how to grow and how to scale your business, then please subscribe to this channel where I release a new video every Wednesday. Come and join me in the Facebook group Profitable and Productive Cleaning Business Owners. And if you would like to fast track and have some dedicated and concentrated personal one-on-one time, please book a free one-to-one consultation with me to talk about where your business is currently now, where you would like it to be, and how I can help you create that journey to becoming mop-free, profitable, and sustainable within your business. Because, my love, if you are out cleaning and you are out doing all of the things, when will you get time to build your business? If you are always working in your business and not on your business, how will you get to the goals that you want to set yourself? How will you earn the money that you want to earn yourself? Because if you're not building, you're not growing. So let me know in the comments below, what is it that you get most stuck on in your business? What is the one thing that if you could put in a process or a system to either automate that or for it to be a checklist of complete A, then B, then C, then D, and done? Drop them in the comments below and I would love to be able to help you, and I will reply in the comments, and you never know, that might help somebody else who's having the exact same problem that you are, and we can all grow together. As we all know, life sometimes can be harsh and things can happen that are way out of our control. But what can we do to control our business should things ever go wrong in our life and we have to step away or we have to take some time out? How can we make our business secure so it doesn't need us to be there micromanaging every little task? Thank you so much for being here for today's video. I really appreciate you taking the time to watch. Please subscribe, and I'm going to be back here next Wednesday with a brand new video. But until then, you stay sparkling. Bye bye.